Hi students, good morning all of you. Hands like birds. See the action how I am doing. Fly like a bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now again we will do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay, all of you have done?
Yes.
Start at small examples. I will just show you some small objects. You have to tell me that what shapes are there. See, what is
Circle. Circle. Ball.
very good. Ball is having which shape?
Circle.
Now, one small thing is there with me. It is white in color. Can you tell me what thing is this?
Egg.
Egg. Very nice. What is the shape of egg?
Oval.
Oval. Very good. So next is, what is this?
Book.
Book. Can you tell me what shape is this book having?
Square.
Square. Good. So I will just show you some more shapes you have already learned. We have to just revise these shapes. See, our topic name is Shapes Mobile and we are going to do the revision. See this shape. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Yes. Please repeat after me the spelling. R-E-C-T-A-N G-L-E, rectangle.
G-L-E, rectangle.
Very good. Next, what shape is this?
Square.
Square. Repeat after me the spelling S-Q
S-Q
U-A-R-E, square.
R-E, square.
Now, can you tell me what object is this?
Egg.
Egg. Very good. E-double-G, egg.
E-double-G, egg.
And what shape egg has?
Oval.
Oval, yes. Repeat the spelling O.
O.
V.
O-V.
A-L.
A-L.
Oval.
Oval.
Very good. Now see, what is this shape?
Heart.
Heart, yes. Everyone has a heart in their body. Yes? H-E.
H-E.
A-R.
A-R.
T.
T.
Heart.
Heart.
Now what shape is this? Object?
Cloud.
Cloud, yes. You see this cloud in the sky. So repeat the spelling C-L.
C-L.
O-U.
O-U.
D.
D.
Cloud.
Cloud.
Next, can you see the smile?
Star.
Star. Yes, star is smiling loudly. Yes. Let us say the spelling S-T.
S-T-A-R.
Star. Very good. Now next, can you see this picture? What picture is this?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. R-A-I-N
R-A-I-N
B-O-W.
B-O-W.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Good. What is this?
Mango.
Yes, mango. M-A-N
M-A-N
G-O.
G-O.
Mango.
Mango.
Good. Yes. What is this?
Flower.
Flower. Different flowers have different shapes. F-L-O.
F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower.
Good. The shape of leaf. Yes. L-E-A-F.
L-E-A-F.
Leaf.
E-S.
Now, what is this picture?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Very good, all of you. Let us say the spelling B-U.
B-U-T-T-E-R-F-I. Butterfly.
Okay. Repeat after me. B-U.
B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-O-V.
Please repeat the spelling after me. You are telling wrong spelling. Repeat the spelling after me. B-U.
B-U-T-T-E-R. E-R-F-L-Y.
Okay. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yes. What picture is this? When you see this?
Moon.
Moon. When you see the moon?
Yes.
But when you see this moon?
Night.
Night. Yes. Crescent moon. So let us say the spelling C-R. E-S.
E-S.
C-E.
C-E-N-T.
N-T. Crescent moon. M-O. M.
Moon.
Double-O.
Double-O.
N.
Double-O.
N.
N.
Moon. So what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes. T-R.
T-R.
I-A.
I-A.
N-G.
N-G.
L-E.
L-E.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Yes. What is the shape?
Kite.
Kite. K-I.
K-I-T-E.
E.
K-I-T-E. Kite.
Oh, very good. Very good. Yes. What is the shape now?
Oval. O-V-E.
V.
O-V-A-L.
L. Yes. Repeat.
Oval.
E.
O-V-A-L. Oval.
Yes. Very good. Now this is a shape.
Circle.
Circle. C-I.
C-I.
R.
R. C-I-R-C-L-E. R-C-L-E. Circle.
E. Circle. Very good. So, very good all of you. You have given nice reply. So, you are going to do your homework is that you will draw this all shapes in your notebook and you will color it with your favorite colors. Okay? Bye students. Take care.